If you find it inconvenient for the air conditioner to activate automatically when starting your car, you have the option to disable this feature. To do so, follow these steps. First, turn the ignition key to the on mode. Next, locate the air conditioner button and press it. Then, press and hold the air recirculation button consecutively 5 times. By performing these actions, you effectively deactivate the automatic activation of the air conditioner. Subsequently, when you start your car in the future, the air conditioner will no longer engage automatically, granting you greater control over the system's functionality. To activate the automatic air conditioner function, simply reverse the steps performed earlier. Begin by turning the ignition key to the on mode. Next, press the air recirculation button 5 times, followed by pressing the air conditioner button. By meticulously executing these actions in reverse order, you successfully re-enabled the automatic activation of the air conditioner. Subsequently, when you start your car, the air conditioner will resume its automatic functioning, ensuring a comfortable and climate-controlled environment for your journey.